Hello friends, आज we are sharing 4 different kinds of South Indian chutney you can prepare to enjoy your idlis, dosas, उत्तपम वगैरह। हमने आज लिब्रा का कमर्शियल मिक्सर ग्राइंडर यूज किया है। In the first chutney, we have used roasted peanuts, roasted gram dal, green chilies, adrak, pudina, coconut and dhania. There is no onion and garlic in this chutney. In the second chutney, we are using chana dal, urad dal, cumin seed, lasan, adrak, onion, mint, coconut, imli and green chilies. House of Libra has a lot of beautiful products. Jar of this mixer grinder has a beautiful aesthetic look and sharp blades. It really makes smooth coconut chutney in just 2 to 3 minutes. Third and fourth chutney has no coconut. In the third one, we have used onion, garlic, roasted peanuts, dhania, green chilies, mint and imli. And the fourth one, it has urad dal, chana dal, red chilies, half cup of peanuts and sliced tomatoes. Libra commercial mixer grinder makes a smooth paste within just 3 to 4 minutes. Lastly, we have prepared a simple tadka for this chutneys. Hope you will love flavors of all these chutneys and enjoy.